In this video, I'm going to show you a little bit about Schoology's Resource Center. Schoology has a hidden gem, and this is your resource area. Every user has a resource section to store materials as well as create new materials to add to courses at later dates. This tutorial will give you an overview of what your resource section is, how to organize and utilize this tool. To get to your resources, select Resources from the top blue Schoology menu bar. By default, this will bring you directly to your home resource collection. Anything you save to resources will save here in your home collection. In this resource area, you can back up course materials or create new materials to use in courses at a later date. To create new materials, select the Add Resources button. This brings you to the very same menu with the same choices that you see when you're adding materials to your course. However, this adds those materials to your resources. They are not associated with any course and are just there for you to add to courses later. If you would like to reorder the items in your home collection, select the Options button and choose an action. You can reorder them manually, or you can select Auto Arrange. Simply reordering your home collection might not be enough for your organization. Many of us have saved things to resources and it has become a bit unruly. Luckily, Schoology has a way to help us stay organized. Within your home collection, you can create folders to organize your materials. But sometimes folders are just not enough. Schoology gives you the option of creating collections. Think of collections as file folder boxes that hold the folder backups of your previous courses or materials. Some ideas for collections include school year backup of courses, or maybe you teach a different subject topic and you'd prefer collections of materials based on content or curriculum. Take some time to think about the best way to organize your resources. You want materials to be easily accessible for future reference. We all think differently about the most logical path to find our materials. Customize your resources and collections to best fit your needs. To create collections within your Schoology resource area, select the File Folder box in the top left area of your Schoology resource page. Click Add a Collection, give it a name, and select Create. You will see all collections you have created listed under the My Resources menu on the left-hand side. After creating collections, you can easily move materials and folders into those collections. Select the gear next to something you wish to move. Choose the Move To from the menu. The default is always your home collection. Selecting the drop-down menu will provide you with a list of all the collections you have created. Select the one you would like to move your content to and click Move. Within any collection in your resources, both home and any new collections you have created, you are given the opportunity to add this content to courses. The main purpose of saving materials and course backups to your Schoology resources is so that you can easily use them again in the future. When the new year begins and you create a course, you can return to your resource section to add content to that course. Once you've identified the material, folder, or entire course that you'd like to use again, select the gear and then choose Add to Course from the menu. This will bring up a list of all your current courses. Select the course you would like to copy the material to and select Add. This will add a copy of that material or materials to that course. Keep in mind that once you do this, you can make changes to the materials in your course. The copy is now independent of the original material that lives in your resources. Any changes made to it will not be reflected in the original item in your resource section. Think of it as making a photocopy of the item and adding it to your course, while leaving the original still in your file cabinet. Schoology resources can be a great way to stay organized and make your life easier. Please reach out to your Building Instructional Technology Specialist or me, Tricia Kelleher, if you would like some suggestions or help organizing your resources for the best utilization of Schoology's content.